Hey guys, welcome to Maths tutorial. Today we will learn to solve the given equation, that is 2 power x is equal to 3 power minus x. That means we have to find the value of x that satisfies this equality. Now if you like the video, please consider subscribing my channel and also press the bell icon to get notification of my new videos. And also please do like, comment and share it. So let's start. Now we have this equation 2 power x is equal to 3 power minus x. Now this can be rewritten as 2 power x is equal to 1 by 3 power x using this rule of indices, that is a power minus x is equal to 1 by a power x. Here a is 3. Now after cross multiplication we have 2 power x times 3 power x is equal to 1. Now we will rewrite it as 2 times 3 power x equal to 1. Here we have used this rule, that is a power x times b power x is equal to ab power x. Here a is 2 and b is 3. Now as 2 times 3 is equal to 6, so we have 6 power x in the left hand side, and in the right hand side we have 1 which can be written as 6 power 0. Now look that we have 6 power numbers on the both side. So their power will be equal. So x is equal to 0. This is the solution of the given equation. Thank you for watching.